How to enable Monzo Bill Split on mobile. Today, I'll walk you through how to use Monzo Bill Split feature so you can easily share expenses with friends or family. Begin by unlocking your phone and launching the Monzo app from your home screen. Find the transaction you'd like to split. This could be a recent purchase like a dinner bill or movie tickets. Tap on the chosen transaction, then select the Split Bill option from the available menu. Pick the Monzo contacts you want to split the bill with. If you're not in your contact list, you can manually add their details. Review how the amount will be divided. Once it looks correct, confirm and send the split request to your selected contacts. Make sure your Monzo app is up to date. Use Bill Split for shared expenses like dinners or rides, and remember, recipients must have a Monzo account to receive your request.